episode number 117, and this episode is on beautiful hand embroidered katha on silk and tussar, the pride of Bengal, and all these are done by very skilled artisans in pure silk and tussar. So today's episode will be colorful handwork. So the one that the mannequin is wearing, I just want to say a little about this before I just remove the mannequin so that I can freely show you the other saris. This is a pure woven Bangalore silk with beautiful all over thread work in leaf. And see, this is Guriran Katha in striped border. The border pallu is absolutely woven, and this is a very interesting traditional stitch in the pallu along with this Guriran Katha in the border, and the price of this sari is 9,500 with blouse piece. This part has been dyed and the full work is on beautiful intricate thread work and all over embroidery. So that's it. So let's start with the other product. Product number 1 is on traditional katha in pure Bangalore silk, all over work with buta and border style. See, this is temple thread work in katha. See the thread work. Main is how the finish is, how each motif, how each design is filled with thread. This is where the intricacy and the finish lies. The price, the whole look depends on how well and how close each thread is stitched. So here it is. It's a combination of maroon and red temple katha geometric pattern in both the borders with all over prism buta. See, it's more or less, it's not floral, it's totally geometric with temple pallu. It has very big pallu, and it is only 2 color threads have been used, as I said. It's a beautiful piece in mustard, creamish mustard color with red and maroon katha stitch work with all over booty, and here is the blouse piece border. This is the blouse piece border. Just let me tell you, the katha stitch blouses are not 90 centimeters or 1 meter. They are less than that because the sari is full. We give the whole sari 6.5 yards, 6.5 meters. But what happens when you stitch the threads? Little bit of fabric gets inside, and so there's shrinkage in the fabric, and the ultimate result of the blouse pieces comes to around 60 to 70, sometimes if you're lucky then 80 centimeters. So in that case, if you're broad built, then you have to add some fabric. You can add this silk maroon raw silk fabric or silk fabric in maroon or red, and use the border as the sleeves. So that will look very pretty and give it a new dimension to the saris also. This is product number 1, 7500. Product number 2 again in Bangalore silk, and this is reverse katha. This is another very traditional katha, and this is 7500 in jet black multicolored reverse. Why it is reverse? Now reverse is because the work is not done on the motif, it is done on the other part. So the motif is blank and the rest part is filled with katha, so that it gives a very beautiful collage look. So that's why we say it a reverse katha. So see the multicolors, it seems that has so many colors, and it gives such a, from far it looks like a collage painting. So it's a beautiful piece in jet black. This is the pallu. Few kathas not possible to show all the back part. Some I'll show you, whichever, this is the back side of the katha, the work. So you can see the neatness. This is diagonally going. The body part will have full work, and then it will become till the end like this. Here comes a diagonal work. The blouse will also be in black with the border. Again, you can use any of the olive green, will look very nice. It's the blouse piece border. Olive green. Oh, one more thing now, since I've seen this, where there are little stretch in the fabric. I don't know if it's very minimum, but what happens in the katha, there is the frame. They attach, the karigars attach the frame, due to which the fabric stretches a bit. It seems as if wo fas gaya hai, the fabric is not good. No, It happens in all Katha, especially in Bangalore silk, but that is not at all a defect. So these are the things, let me tell you. And those who are very tall, those who are more than 5'7" height, you have to attach extra fabric on the tuck-in part. So we can do that with an additional charge if you want. That doesn't mean you are not, you can't wear Katha. You can just have to add a bit of extra fabric, which we can also do if you want. So this is it, 7,500 all over Katha in black, pure Bangalore silk. This is the look of the sari. Beautiful work. This is in dual tone, rich maroon, and work done is in monotone. See, so this is another concept of the work, and this is another concept of, two kind of design with lovely Cheli Ran Katha in the border. Throughout similar work, all over work. This is a very rich color in Bangalore silk. It's a very common color, but we love this color because it looks really nice, especially in photographs and on wearing. This is the blouse piece. It's a dark maroon color. Everybody loves this color in Bangalore silk. So you can see the look of the product, the whole sari. It's a very elegant one, you can wear it for day wear also, and also for gifting purpose also. See the pallu, how well the work is, how neat the finish is. And yes, I'll show you once more. This is the look of the product, the work, the finish. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product. No phone calls, only photo of the picture, the screenshot of the product you've selected, and WhatsApp to any one of the number. There are two numbers that is going. Any one of the number you have to WhatsApp. Once the booking is confirmed, we give you the bank details. It's a business account bank detail, and after the payment is done, first come first serve, the payment is done, we will courier it to you. We'll iron it, and because we are opening the products, after ironing and finishing, we will courier it to you in 2 working days. All saris are polished and all washed because these take months to create. So these initial washing and polishing, we've already done it for you. 7,500, product number 4 in a beautiful red Bangalore silk. This is border pallu, again in see the work, butta, very smart looking, simple design, but looks nice because of the scarlet color. You can wear a contrast blouse with this also. You can wear a bottle green, you can wear a moss green, you can wear a navy or also black. See, this is the pallu, simple sari yet very elegant. Actually, these have pride in all of our, each of us, each of our wardrobe, you get this products get a different pride because these are all hand embroidery and takes a lot of effort, design and time to create each product, and all these so intricate work. So definitely it's time consuming, and it's all our real beauties. This is also a multi katha in royal blue Bangalore silk. This is the minimum range. We don't keep katha in art silk, only pure cotton and pure silk and tussar. This is also 7,500 because I feel so much effort, even if you are doing the work in art silk or semi tussar and all, the effort that is given are same for both the products. So why not spend a few more bucks and get a pure silk which is skin friendly, sustainable, and it's everlasting. So it's better to spend a few more amount and invest in a pure silk rather than an art or semi silk for these handwork beauties. See, the geometry is all over zigzag, all over work, and this is the pallu in royal blue. 7,500, and this is the work throughout. Yes, there is the blouse piece in royal blue only with the border. So this is the sari once again. each product I'm showing you very closely, the work, the pallu. So just take the screenshot, see the screenshot, the number is going, the color, the price is all mentioned in the description part. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp, and these no orders are taken because these are all single piece creation. So not possible to create, not possible for the karigar to remember also what design he's done, because most of the credit of these embroidery goes to my karigars, not me. It's totally the embroider's credit. 7500 pallu blouse katha work. The body is fully in weave. This is a beautiful woven dual tone in purplish color and navy, purple navy. This is the border is in magenta purplish color, and the whole body is woven. So it's such a beautiful weave. Since the pallu part is plain, we've done all over katha. It's a floral katha all over in the pallu, and the body keeping it the self weave, the pallu part and the blouse piece part. The blouse piece is again fully work done. So this is the sleeves, the back and the body part and the back part, sleeves part. The whole blouse is thread work. 7,500 for this beauty, and this is the sari with the blouse, and this is the pallu. So here is how the product will be, how the sari will be when you wear it, and I think the color is also very pretty. 7,500. Now coming to another dual tone peacock blue traditional katha, and this is product number 7. This is 8900. Now the next range, 8,900 rupees, and here is the work all over. Just see the work, single thread all over, freehand katha done, and the border will have two colors in it, the beige and the white. So you can see the shading part here, and this is a color is also a very rich color. It's a peacock blue color, and all over very intricate thread work, hand embroidery with rich embroidered pallu. Here is the pallu part. So closely I am showing you, just check out the embroidery in the pallu, and here is the whole work. So this is it. We have two branches in Kolkata, 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. It's near the Baliganj railway station. There's car park in front, and Sundays we remain open. The rest of the days 10 to 8 we are open for you. We have the tailoring unit in both the branches. The other branch, 2C Cornfield Road, is near Citizen Park. Both are very close by. Initially when I had opened the second store, and that too walking distance, I was told why two stores are so close by. You know why? Because I want to be present in both the branches. So it's easy for me to manage personally both the branches. So both the branches are so close by, and both are walking distance. So this is again in 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and both the branches have different varieties. So you can visit both the branches when you are here in Baliganj. Couriering we are doing regularly. International shipping is also done. The shipping charges depends on the weight and the destination. The more you buy, the less you pay for shipping. So this is product number 7, 8900. Product number 8, white and in beautiful rose pink color, without a border, and there is the Ghicha Tussar weave. So this is a dual weave. This is Bangalore silk and this is Tussar. So it's not joined, it's totally woven. On this beautiful woven sari, the embroidery is done in the stripe way. So on the Bangalore silk part, we've done the thread work, and we've left the natural tussar part the way it is. 8900, product number 8, episode 117, Sanskriti, Kolkata, and this is the stripe concept sari without border, and yes, it will have the Bangalore silk blouse piece in white with border. So it's the pink border. Yes, there is a little bit of mark here. Why, I'll tell you. Yes, because the karigars, they after doing, they wash and dry it in the fields. Usually we'll remove the stain and send you, don't worry. But that's the way. There will be little bit of mud marks which is usually there in the fields and grass and all. So we wash it and send, but at the same time there may be 1 or 2 marks, but we'll remove it for you. So this is the product number 8. It's a beautiful Katha sari, and here is the product. Now again another Bangalore silk, and this is in purple. See the very different kind of design in this. It's very different, the tree of life kind of design. See, it's all over branches with little bit of fruits throughout. It's very different, I see, it seems. The pallu, and yes, actually it's so rich, the color, dark purple color, brinjal color. See the work, it's real beauty. Please visit store for more options. You can see this is our Katha section in the Cornfield Road branch. Many more are available also in Jamir Lane branch. So these are all. So this is why I did the episode in this section. This is the pallu part. So to get more options, please visit the branch. This is 8900, and also the Jamir Lane branch. Both will have many stock now. Throughout the year, Katha stock is available, but to get this particular product, the YouTube product or the Facebook product, you have to do prior booking, and for that the WhatsApp number is already given. This is the blouse piece for the sari. Now product number 10, navy blue with, oh, this is a lovely combination. So is the work. The work is so rich, and also the combination. Just check out the it's a mustard beige color, brownish color in navy blue, Bangalore silk again. Throughout work, see the neatness. Let me show you how well the finish is. See, so much, not a single thread is coming out, or you know, the polish, the finish, it's so great. This is the pallu part. Throughout work with temple embroidery and all over work also. Here is the blouse piece with broad border in the back, and also the sleeves. Here comes the sleeve, and here comes the back, and this is the sari here. So that's it for this one, product number 10, and the price for product number 10 is 8900 again, 8,900 for this also. Now product number 11, another gorgeous red. Last time we had showed only one red and there was a lot of demand, so I thought of showing few more reds. 8900 again. This is also all over work in Bangalore silk. So these are all monotones, and see the work. This is something different. The borders I've done very filled up work, and the body part is just outline, Guriran Katha. So these are the terms that the karigars use. This is the pallu. The aanchal part is full heavy work. The border also heavy work, and the body is outlined. It's a beautiful concept and looks very different on wearing. You can wear it with your gold and your multicolored stone and also your silver junks. You know, it looks really nice. With Katha, silver goes very well. This is the blouse piece. You can, use a chicken material and use the sleeves also. That looks nice also with Katha. So see, this is the lovely red sari in Bangalore silk, rich red with a rich thread work pallu, and I've already shown you the blouse piece. This is the work. So closely let me show you. This is the embroidery. Another reverse Katha in mustard, Bangalore silk. So all the while I've been showing you pure heavy quality Bangalore silk. Then I'll come to tussar also. Mustard with lavender. See the combination? Thoda hatke with again all over work, reverse embroidery. 8500. Product number 12. 8,500 rupees. So much work. So this upper part is a tuck-in part. So in case you need the height, more height, so then all you have to do is just attach a fabric on the upper part. This tuck-in. This is the blouse piece border. This is the work. You can see how much the work is. All over work, reverse Katha, the pallu 8,500, product number 12. If you are liking the products, please leave a comment. So it will really boost us. Cash on delivery possible only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata, it will go via courier only. This is the pallu part. It's a fully leaf design. It's a beautiful peacock blue, and it's not a dark. It's more of a royal blue peacock blue. It's a very rich color. In Bangalore silk again, dual tone of course, peacock blue color, and it's leaf design with body part also. It looks like, throughout this square geometric design with leaf border, and it will have a leaf border blouse piece also. This is the pallu. Pallu is beautiful. See the design in the pallu, then you can understand how different the work is. And here is the blouse piece. As I said, it will have the leaf design blouse piece. I really want to show you the pallu. It's very, very intricate, very fine, very neat work. Now another multicolor floral, 14, product number 8800. It is Bangalore silk with dye. Broad border in both the sides. Dyed Bangalore silk. So this is the Rani part, magenta part is dyed. This is the another dye. So this is the natural Bangalore silk color. This part has been dyed. The work has been done in multicolor throughout the border and the pallu. So here is the look. Here is the aanchal, multicolor floral. See closely the embroidery. See closely the back part. I can, since all the products are in front of me, and I can tell you how well the finish is. So these, the work, the finish is very important in handwork especially. And that's why the prices are a bit steep, because these are all hand embroidery sarees, and that too very competitive price, because these kind of work, if you don't pay the karigar well, you not get the best outcome. The product finish, everything depends how happy they are with the remuneration. So that's why these are, that too, how cheap the labor is in our country. So in that way, it is really not that much. And all these being in pure Bangalore silk. And this is a very uncommon embroidery, 8,800. See the work. The price is nothing compared to the work. So much effort, the work, just see. Each outline is filled with thread and also in between the lines. The design, the motive, the concept, the colors. 8800 only. 117 product number 15, jet black. And this is the whole sari will have this work, and yes, the blouse piece will be this. Very smart looking sari. The work is very unique. With each product, the GST bill, the proper GST invoice will be sent. And also when you are paying to the bank, it will be a business account. We will giving you the bank details of our business account, Sanskriti business account bank details for you to make the transfer if you are doing it online. This is similar one in dyed Katha Bangalore silk, in royal blue dyed Katha Bangalore silk, multicolor embroidery in the border and the pallu, broad border, multicolor. Rich combination, royal blue and beigeish mustard. It's actually deep biscuit color, not mustard actually, it's deep chiku color. This is the blouse piece border. The blouse piece border. This is the sari. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp. First come, first serve basis. And please do like, share and subscribe. Once you subscribe, you can get the regular notifications of the products. There's a Facebook link that is also going. Once you like our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata, the next day episode will be announced. So in that way, you can understand what will be the next episode in YouTube. There's also the Insta page which you can follow. Regularly new products are being shown, all handmade, and we deal directly with the karigars and the weavers. We do not do via selling. It's all in our showroom that we are showing you, and not, even the orders that we are taking, it's done in our own factory. This is another Bangalore silk temple katha, dyed temple katha. The pallu, rich maroon and biscuit color combination. The maroon part has been dyed with thread work, hand work, temple embroidery. Here is the contrast maroon blouse piece with the border and the back part. This is the back and the sleeves work. This is the temple embroidery. Pallu. Very unusual combination. 8900. Now coming to tussar. tussar throughout katha, multicolor katha throughout in tussar, pallu geometric katha. If you want, we can add, the border and the tassels, and we are charging only 300 along with the material and the tassels and the labor charge. So just what the karigar charges me, I'll charge that from you. It's just to give an additional added look. No, all sarees doesn't look good in that though. This might, if you wanted to make it more brighter, I can add a rust border or an olive border. This is the blouse piece. This is the saree. Pallu. Next, another multicolored katha. Desi tussar. And see the work. Extremely rich, gorgeous embroidery in olive, mustard, red and black along with orange. Throughout work, and here comes the blouse piece. Yes, in case I've missed out the price for this is probably 9500, correct? 9500. This is a very uncommon shaded katha in tussar, bottle green and midnight blue. Shaded katha all over work, very uncommon. The combination, the work, the whole concept, the work design, everything is little unique. See, especially the bottle green and blue along with this beige work. It's really very smart, I think. And it'll have the midnight blue blouse piece, see the work. 9500 along with this blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for this. 21, another desi tussar. These are all 9500 will be all heavy quality desi tussar. Yes, 9500. Just see the work. Broad temple multicolored border, geometric pallu, can you see how rich the work is? Upper part will have these. This work is also a little expensive, my karigar charges a bit more when I give this kind of a border, this alternate collage border. This is the border. Each border also, can you see each stripe, how well the work has been done? The filling of the thread in each motif. This is the blouse piece. Very smart looking sari, at the same time very classy. Our mothers and in-laws love this kind of work in this katha. Very this kind of work, it's very difficult to get. Natural color with that intricate work. Now coming to what I'm wearing. This is in tussar. Similar design. It's Worldly Katha, folk Katha in Tassar. It's a beautiful combination in Rani and Mustard in Desi Tassar. All worldly design, folk design. The Pallu 9500 Desi Tassar 9500. If you want, I can add a mustard or a Rani border tassel with this, 300 rupees extra if you want. Otherwise, itself also it's looking very pretty. See the border, back border and the blouse piece. This will be the sleeves for this saree. Please take the screenshot of the product. No phone calls, only screenshot in case you really want to talk or inquire any other things that you have to really. If it's urgent, then call the 983 number. 760 number is only for WhatsApp. Now something that what I'm wearing, I'll show you something more similar to those. All these are Golpo Katha, all folk Katha in Bangalore silk. See the embroidery. See the work. Village Katha. Product number 23 in jet black. I'm sure you can understand the full work, how the work is going. It has a story in this 6 yards of elegance. And price is 8800 with blouse piece. Black with this border blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Now number 24. All these are Golpo Katha in Bangalore silk. Jet black, similar type of saree I had worn in one of the episodes. Though that design was different, this is combination is same. The design is changing. This is Golpo Katha. As I say, usually same work is never possible. So I don't take orders for Katha. This is 8900. Red border tassels. 8900 Golpo Katha in pure Bangalore silk. Very smart looking party wear look, and it will really get a pride in your wardrobe. This is the blouse piece. এইসব শাড়ি পরবেন না, লোকে জিজ্ঞেস করবে কোথা থেকে নিয়েছেন, মানে এত আনকমন, এই যে কাজগুলো এত সূক্ষ্ম, মানে এই যে এক্সট্রা যে অ্যাডিশনাল যেগুলো করা হয়েছে ট্যাসেল, ভীষণ স্মার্ট লাগে, আর ছবিও কিন্তু এগুলোতে ভীষণ সুন্দর ওঠে। আর চট করে কিছু আর একটা দুটো দেখিয়ে নিই আমি। নাম্বার 25 দেশি টাসার, अगेन গল্প কাঁথা। কাজটা খালি দেখুন কি সুন্দর কাজটা করা হয়েছে, ছোট ছোট অল ওভার মোটিভ সারা গায়ে, পাড়ের মধ্যে কিন্তু আবার চওড়া সূক্ষ্ম কাজ করা হয়েছে পাড়ের মধ্যে। বর্ডারটা আমি রেডে ইউজ করেছি, সিল্ক বর্ডার। আঁচল 8800 8800 গল্প কাঁথা উইথ রেড বর্ডার অ্যান্ড ট্যাসেলস। পুরো কাজটা এভাবে যাবে। একদম অল ওভার কাজের ওপর, ভীষণ আনকমন, ভীষণ অন্যরকম। আর এই বর্ডারটা দিয়ে আমার মনে হয় এই শাড়িগুলোতে বর্ডারটা খুব ভালো লাগে গল্প কাঁথার মধ্যে। ব্লাউজটা এটার সাথেই যাচ্ছে, এটা হচ্ছে ব্লাউজ পিসের বর্ডার। আপনি ব্ল্যাক দিয়ে এই বর্ডারটা ইউজ করতে পারেন বা রেডের সাথে, বা এটা শাড়ির ব্লাউজও তো খুবই সুন্দর হবে। এবারে যেরকম আমি পরেছি গ্রের ওপর রেড দিয়ে পাইপিং, আর এটা হচ্ছে রানীর ওপর, ব্ল্যাক অ্যান্ড রানী, একটু অন্যরকম কাজটা, একটু একদমই ওয়ার্ল্ডির ওপর, ফোক ওয়ার্ক with figures and motifs, not the regular floral one, with border. 8900 8900 rupees. See the pallu, throughout work এ যাচ্ছে এরকম। এটা হচ্ছে বর্ডার। কাজটা দেখুন একদম অন্যরকম, আর এই ব্ল্যাকের ওপরে গ্রে আর রানীটা খুব গর্জাস লাগছে। আর আমিও যেটা পরে আছি দেখুন, এটাও কিন্তু এরকম। এটা আমি আরো কিছু দেখাবো। এটার প্রবাবলি এটা একটা আছে। এটা হচ্ছে আমি পরে আছি এরকম কম্বিনেশনটা, সেম ডিজাইন। আর এটা যেটা দেখাচ্ছি এটা কোনো নাম্বার নেই, জাস্ট স্ক্রিনশটটা নিয়ে নিন। This has no number, just take the screenshot. Little difference in the work. So since even if there's little difference, I always try to show that product. So this is almost similar, little difference in the color combination. So just take the screenshot whichever you want. This is the work. This also has a red border. Same price, see the work. All geometric, worldly folk katha. Throughout embroidery in slate color in pure Bangalore silk, and this is the work all over, and this is the blouse piece border. So this is also available in case you want this work. And the last one is this all work worldly katha. This is product number 278700. Here is, see, the multicolored. It's a Madhubani design done in Katha work. Madhubani, like we usually see this Madhubani painting. This kind of painting we see in the, I've also shown in my episodes also, Madhubani episode. Similar thing, this is done inspired from those art, Madhubani Mithila art. We have done this in Katha, multicolored, in jet black with border tassels. See the work. This also looks so smart, and such beautiful finish in jet black. So you can see how gorgeous this is looking. I'm wearing it with a silk pure ikat patola blouse piece. You can also wear it with the sari blouse, or a red blouse also will look nice. The price, as I said, is 8700. This is the border. And lastly, the neck piece that I'm wearing is, this is the jhumka along with the neck piece that I'm wearing. It's 2400. It has stone setting in this filigree work. 2400 is for the neck piece set. It has maroon tassels. You can lengthen it also. This is 2400, and the sari is 8,000. How much is the sari? 8,900 is for this sari. This also will have a matching blouse piece. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Shobbai bhalo থাকবেন।